Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. My name is Kumar, and today we are going to see how easy it is to import the information from Excel into QuickBooks Desktop. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop successfully, we can hit Start to start the import. In this example, we are going to try to import chart of accounts because that was the first thing that any business would need. So I choose the file that I would like to import, and then the sheet that I would like to use here is account, and I'm going to choose the same thing here on the right because that is the one that I would like to import into QuickBooks, and I click next. I click OK to the message. Now this is the file preview to show you that it has read what is there in your Microsoft Excel. Now it's not just the chart of accounts. If I go back, as you can see that I can import any of these things which are available here or are supported by QuickBooks Desktop. Not just the list, the transactions as well. So we go next, and after looking at what is there in the file, we go next, and then if you have any mapping saved, you can load the map, or I can click on field match. So anything which is matching with my Excel sheet column headers, it's gonna automatically pop up. Scroll down. Now if you would like to import your accounts with the opening balance, the open balance date, you can select that as well, balance and the balance date. Scroll up, go next. Once again, if you would like to make any changes here, you can click here, make the changes necessary if you feel like, and then I go next. Now it's the final message before I import. So if you want to go back, do a backup, you can, or you can click OK to start the import. Now depending on how much information that is there, and what is the size of the company file, the computer speed, the processor and everything, it may take some time. So as you can see, right now it is importing the data, and it's going to show you step by step what information has already been imported and what is left to be imported. As you can see that we are almost there. It's going to take a few more seconds, and then it's going to show up what was imported, and if there was a problem, it's going to tell us if that was not imported and why it was not imported. So I'm going to click close to this message, and as you can see, the import status is imported, all green, all looks good, and on the top I see 298 of 301 accounts were imported. Now I'm going to show the records that did not import, and as you can see, these are the non-posting accounts. So estimates, purchase orders and sales orders, these accounts are going to be automatically created as soon as we start doing the transactions in QuickBooks. That should be all. Thank you. I'm going to say done.